Which fruit? Sam is asking which fruit?
Pineapple. So today we are going to do salt painting. We'll be using salt. Firstly, we will take the Fevicol and we will outline it. With the Fevicol, we will outline. As we do with the sketch pen or the marker, same way we will do it with the Fevicol.
Oh no! Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just show it to you.
Mom.
Okay, so this is the outer part. I'm just using the Fevicol to just outline, not inside, but the Fevicol should be on the outer side. Just entire part we'll just outline with the Fevicol. We'll glue it nicely. The entire part we will glue.
Black line.
Sorry for the delay. Ma'am, can you just repeat what is to be done?
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, we have just now started. The outline which I had told you all to print out or draw it, this is the outline. Now after that, the picture, we will outline it with Fevicol. Like as we do it with the marker or sketch pen, same way we will outline the picture with using Fevicol. Okay, like this I have just now started. We'll just outline it. We'll not glue it inside.
Ma'am, I have glue stick on
outline line.
Glue stick will also be okay.
You can give it a try if it sticks properly. All the lines we glue it.
এই যে পাপা ধরে আছে, দেখ কি করছে দেখ।
Yes. Yes. Okay, parents, you can just hold your child's hands and make them. Okay, so I have completed the lines. Okay, after completing the lines, I will take the salt. Has everyone completed? You can just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, once everyone has done, please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after that, I had told to keep the salt. We'll take the spoon and we will just sprinkle over it.
Oh, হাত দিয়ে
You can do it with your hand or you can use a spoon. I'm using a spoon. Okay, so we'll just sprinkle all over it so it gets stuck with the Fevicol, and the remaining we will just remove it.
দিক করে করে
Yes, very good. Very good, all of you. The kids are doing it. Very good. So we'll cover the entire portion. Wherever we have glued, it will stick to it, and the remaining we'll just remove it. Okay, so now I've covered the entire portion. Now, now the remaining portion, we'll just pick the paper up and we will remove the extra salt from there. The rest will sit on the Fevicol, sets on the Fevicol, and the rest we'll just remove it. So I've removed the extra one. You can just check where it is not, where it does not set. You can again apply little glue and let it set. Okay, so once the application is complete of the salt, I'm again removing the extra one. So here my picture is ready, covered with the entire salt. This is the actual picture. Yes, very good, perfect. Yes, perfect, very good. Very good. Yeah, very good, perfect, like that. Okay, now you can just take the paint. For the stem, we will take green paint, and in the color palette, using the paint brush, we'll just take out the green paint in the color palette. For the stem, we will use green color, and the below portion for the pineapple, it is basically inside it is yellow, so we'll use yellow later on, but we are using green for the stem. So I'll just take out the color palette. We'll mix it with little water. We'll just mix with little water. And now it is ready. Okay, now once after mixing with the water, you can either use the paintbrush. You can either use the paintbrush or the spoon. So I'm taking spoon. We'll try with spoon first. I'll just show it to you.
No. Good.
So we'll start taking little paint. Now we will stick to it, but the water portion we will just drop like this. We'll just drop. And it will set. You can either use the spoon or the paintbrush, whatever is easy for you. Just give the child to drop the paint and it will set on the salt. See, it will be like this.
Ma'am, is it green on the top and yellow?
Yeah, yeah. On the top, for the stem, we are using green color.
Okay.
Okay, so it will just set with the salt. The color will set with the salt. Is it visible to everyone? Yes, very good, Gyanvi. Very good.
Ma'am, my daughter did.
Mama green कर दो जी तमे तमरो
Yes.
leaf से करियो. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. Please say it again. Yes,
Ma'am, my
very
daughter-
good. Very good, Anaya.
देखो जी देखे.
Very good. Okay, just let it dry a bit. Very good, Anaya. Very good, everyone. Now, after that, I've taken yellow color already. So, yellow color we'll use in the down portion. Yes, very good. The kids are doing very good, all of you. We need to just drop little water. Just on the border. Here, a pineapple is ready. Yes, very good. Very good, all of you. Yes, very good, Anaya. Very good. Okay, so once when it is complete, let it dry. And then you can just take the image of the child holding this and you can just send the picture. Let the child hold it and take the picture and send it to me. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, very good, all of you. Okay, parents, after it is done, please make your child hold the picture and click a picture and send it to me. Okay? You can unmute yourselves.
Hello, okay, hello, okay, hello.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So we'll meet Monday. Bye. Bye. Take care. Okay, just take the picture of the child holding the activity which we have done today, the salt painting, and just send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.